did something, I don't know. Oh, you're filming me. Okay.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Where are
Hi,
we going?
everybody. We're going to the
Bowl barn. To do what?
bowling.
Bowling.
All the bowling alleys are closed, but
Yeah.
my dad made a really good training system.
Yeah.
Yeah. It allows me to practice my swing on a
4 sections of 8 foot, so 32 foot in length. But clearly she's using 3 sections, so that's 24 foot. And you can probably get away with 20 foot in length. It's not hard. I mean, if I can build it, anybody can build it. So, how do you like it, Ayana?
I love this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How did it help you?
So I had this issue with, on my downswing, the ball was about a half foot away from my ankle, and that's not good because it can throw you off balance or can prevent accuracy. And so I've been trying almost everything to fix it, and I guess what I needed was something that I could focus only on my problems that I've been having so I can practice it over and over and over again. And finally it just started to click, and I've made really great improvements. It went from about here to now here, which is really significant spacing in between my ankle and the ball.